Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming a get ready with me and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing my makeup. This is the foundation I'm using today. I'm gonna wear my lashes now and I'll come back to you guys after that. So I just finished putting on my lashes and I did make a mess on this lash, but I'm gonna sort that out when I'm done. So I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to highlight my face. Okay guys, my sponges are very dirty, but normally what I do, I need to tell you guys what I do. So normally what I do at this point, I've started like giving my concealer like maybe a minute to just do its thing on my face, because I realized that I like it when I do that. I saw this from, I think it was Ishow, yeah. So if I like leave it on my face for like maybe a minute, it looks so good. Like I love how it looks. So for now I'm going to contour my face. So I'm using my Yardley translucent powder. I'm moving to highlighter now. I'm going to move to hair. Yes, guys, I got this Maybelline fixing spray, but there's something wrong with it. It's not working the way it's supposed to work. This hair is from ISHOW Hair, and I did curl it today because I wanted to do something different. So I don't think I'm gonna glue it down because I'm going to the mall and I'm gonna be coming back soon, so I'm not gonna like glue it down. So the only thing I did to this hair was to curl it. I used my curling iron, not the, what do they call those other things that you can use to bend rollers? I didn't use bendy rollers. I used my styling iron from Clicks, and yeah, I love it. It looks so nice. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I'm wearing this top that I got. Maybe I got this like maybe 2 years ago, but it's very old. But yeah, that is my look for today. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. As I told you guys, they ISHOWBeauty Hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like it, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.